What is the value of the expression? 8 minus open parentheses 24 divided by 6 multiply 4 close parentheses, then times 2 to the power of 2. Let's go through this question step by step and solve it together. To solve this question, many people first go straight to the parentheses and start with the division between 24 and 6. So they rewrite this expression as 8 minus 24 divided by 6 equals 4 times 4. Inside the parentheses then times 2 to the power of 2. And the next step they perform the multiplication between 4 and 4 and simplify this expression to 8 minus 4 times 4 equals 16 then times 2 to the power of 2. Then they move on to the subtraction between 8 and 16 and they write this expression as 8 minus 16 equals minus 8 then times 2 to the power of 2. And the final step they go to the exponent and replace this expression with minus 8 multiply 2 times 2 equals 4. 8 times 4 equals 32. So, negative 32 is the final answer. However, that's definitely wrong. As you can see on the screen in this expression, first you have a subtraction sign, then parentheses, after that we have a multiplication sign, and finally an exponent. Alright, to solve this question we need to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. According to the PEMDAS rule, first we simplify parentheses, because parentheses has higher priority than all other operations. And inside the parentheses first we have a division sign and then a multiplication sign. Also, multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this case, the best thing is to move from left to right. So, we begin with the division between 24 and 6. And this expression simplifies to 8 minus 24 divided by 6 equals 4 multiply 4 inside the parentheses. Then times 2 to the power of 2. And the next step we perform the multiplication between 4 and 4, and write this expression as 8 minus 4 times 4 equals 16. Then times 2 to the power of 2. In the following step it's time to handle the exponent, because according to the PEMDAS rule after parenthesis exponent has the highest priority than the other operations. So this expression becomes 8 minus 16 then multiply 2 times 2 equals 4. Now we have subtraction and multiplication. We perform the multiplication between 16 and 4 because multiplication comes before subtraction. And simplify this expression to 8 minus 16 times 4 equals 64. Finally, 8 minus 64 gives us 56. As there is negative sign with a greater value, so the answer becomes negative 56. This is the final answer to this expression. To see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.